Hey everyone! Lenovo has recently unveiled its latest budget-friendly tablet, the Lenovo Tab K9, also known as the Lenovo Tab 1. This new device is designed to offer a balance of performance and affordability, making it an attractive option for users seeking a reliable tablet for everyday use. The Tab K9 features an 8.7-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 1340 by 800 pixels, delivering clear and vibrant visuals. With a brightness of 480 nits and an impressive 86% screen-to-body ratio, the tablet ensures an immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, the Lenovo Tab K9 is powered by an octa-core Helio G85 processor, which is paired with 4 GB of RAM. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and efficient performance for a variety of tasks. The tablet runs on Android 14, customized with Lenovo's ZUI16 interface, which enhances the user experience with additional features and optimizations. Lenovo has also committed to providing software support, including an upgrade to Android 15 and security updates until January 2027, ensuring the device remains up-to-date and secure. Storage options for the Tab K9 include 64 and 128 GB variants, with the flexibility to expand storage further using a micro SD card slot. This makes it easy for users to store their favorite apps, media, and files without worrying about running out of space. The tablet is equipped with a 5,100 mAh battery, which supports 15-watt fast charging. This battery capacity allows for up to 12.5 hours of video playback and 16.5 hours of web browsing, making it a reliable companion for on-the-go use. In terms of connectivity, the Lenovo Tab K9 offers a range of options, including Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo. It also supports multiple GSM, UMTS, and LTE bands, ensuring compatibility with various networks worldwide. The audio experience on the Tab K9 is enhanced by 2 Dolby Atmos tuned speakers and a single microphone, delivering rich and immersive sound quality for multimedia consumption. On the camera front, the tablet features a 2-megapixels front-facing camera with fixed focus, suitable for video calls and selfies, and an 8-megapixels rear camera with autofocus, capable of capturing decent photos and videos. Weighing approximately 320 grams, the Lenovo Tab K9 is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around. The package includes a SIM tray pin, a 20-watt charger, and a USB Type-C 2.0 cable, providing everything needed to get started right out of the box. While Lenovo has yet to announce specific details regarding regional availability and pricing, the Tab K9 is expected to be a competitive option in the budget tablet market. Its combination of solid performance, decent battery life, and multimedia capabilities makes it a versatile device for a wide range of users. The Idea Tab Pro boasts a larger 12.7-inch 3K display with a resolution of 29,940 by 18,220 pixels and a smooth 140 Hz refresh rate, making it ideal for gaming and media consumption. Powered by the Dimensity 8300, it will offer configurations with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, catering to users who demand higher performance and capacity. Overall, Lenovo's latest tablet offerings, including the Tab K9 and the teased Idea Tab Pro, demonstrate the company's commitment to delivering innovative and affordable devices that cater to a variety of user needs. Whether for entertainment, productivity, or everyday use, these tablets are poised to make a mark in the competitive tablet market. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was interesting for you. Have a nice day and God bless you.